Today's video is a clip from my membership site, fromthefield.tv. This is the place that I post 95% of the content that I now make. It's all hyper detailed, no clickbait, no catchy thumbnails, no catchy titles. It is all with the intent of delivering high value information to you guys. The last 18 months of me traveling around North America, visiting experts in regenerative and sustainable agriculture, as well as some high-tech farms. It's all up there, and all the videos of me developing my new farm are up at fromthefield.tv. Head over there and check it out. Short video today. I just want to show you guys something that I'll never build my drip irrigation heads for garden beds like this. Just sucks. Because, well, for one, I find it quite pointless to actually have an on-off for each drip. These barbed fittings, I'm not that big of a fan of, at least for each line. They wiggle loose eventually, the sun beats on them, and they eventually start leaking. And if you don't have an on-off on each drip and you want to turn off one particular line, well, just pinch them and just put something around it. I use those 1-inch spring clamps for stuff like that. So, and then they go underneath here, which is nice because then it's totally hidden. So that underneath there's a T coupling. You can see it. And then that just goes underground. That's where all this stuff is underneath the gravel. What I would much rather do is this. This is a system I set up at my brother-in-law's house, and I like it much better. You can see I've got the header line attached to the bed just with some plumber's tape and some 1-inch screws, and I've got a beautiful on-off valve on the inside corner of each bed, and then T-couplings and 1 elbow coupling on the end, and that's a system. And it uses more bed space because, like with my old system, like this, the coupling actually makes me lose some space. When the coupling is on the bed, then the drip starts right away. So you actually gain about 6 inches more bed on the end of your bed where your header line is. So that's that video. That's the system that I would, going forward, if I made more raised garden beds, I would do. Have yourselves a great day.